Hey guys, on today's episode I'm going to be opening the new Noms Snackables.
This is a very tall box. So I suspect when you see these in stores, and I know they are available in Target stores now, you will probably see them like this and not in this big box. But let's take a look at it. It's really cute. Num Noms always has the cutest packaging, doesn't it? Look how cute the characters are. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour the cereal, which is the characters, then add water, and then swirl our spoon around for a milk surprise. And this is the ultra rare, so we'll be keeping our eyes out for that. All right, so the front of the package shows lots of the different characters. It says Series 1 here, and it says do not eat me. It says that everywhere. So we're gonna have 12 surprises in each bowl. Oh, so we have 12 tiny little bags to open. Lots of surprises, so that's fun. And our poster. So it shows all of the different cereal varieties. And then on the back, all of the different scented spoons. So we have marshmallows, wheat crisps, rings, flakes, checkers, and puffs. And they can either be rare or ultra rare. And I'm thinking, are there more? Yeah, there's definitely several ultra rares. And then these are the scented magic milk spoons. Classic, swirl, and sprinkles, and then our directions. All right, let's open them up and see who we have. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they're so little. The tiniest little Num Noms I've ever seen. Okay, I think that's everybody. They smell good. They have just kind of a sweet scent. All right, so it looks like we have some berries. We have a little variety. There's a wheat. These are the ones that look like waffles. So those are the checkers. Wonder what this is. Ooh, there's a ring. Kind of like, you know, Fruit Loops or something like that. And this must be a flake. The one that I thought, well, maybe this isn't the one I thought was a flake. This is the one I thought was a flake. This is a marshmallow, and it's Starry Sandy. And this is Nilla Checkers from Checkers. Looks like a little kitty cat. This one is so cute. This is Nerdy Berry from Wheat Crisps. I love this one. I don't know why I thought there were berries. These are puffs. And this is Blueberry Carry. So I probably saw some names like the berries. But anyway, this is a puff. See how it's kind of round? Very cute. This one is also a puff called the Big Berry. This is Sam S'mores from Wheat Crisps. It's like a graham cracker with chocolate. Whoa! This is Candy Cat. Another one from Puffs. Cherry Heart from Marshmallows. This is kind of cool. I think this is the only flake we got, and it's an ultra rare, Flaky Francis. See the red heart? Candy O Cotton from Rings. And this is Puffy O Mallow. And can you guess where Puffy O Mallow is from? Marshmallows! Now we're gonna open our spoon. Our scented magic spoon. Here we go. So a minty green spoon with pink. So this looks like it's strawberry milk. Well, it's not really milk, of course. It's a little fizzy thing. I'm gonna smell it. Smells really good. So now we need to add our cereal and then our water, and then we'll swirl it up and see what happens. And I think we have a surprise in here. I think we have a surprise hiding. Okay, let's add the water. Now we'll stir it up. Whoa! How will we know what our surprise is? It's really fizzy. Ooh, I just saw our surprise. Here it is. Whoa! We got another ring. A little chocolate one. I guess it could be wheat. I don't know, it was brown, so I was thinking maybe it was chocolate flavored. Where did you go? Oh no. He's gone. I got it. All right, here's our little surprise. And it is chocolate. It's berry choco, and it's a rare. Ooh, slippery. All right, let's do another. You want to do the spoon first this time? Just for a little variety. Ooh, pink with yellow. What does it mean? Vanilla. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, whoa, hold on. So there's different spoons. Like this has kind of a waffle print, and this has like a swirl. But this one, I don't know. I don't know what we have. I'll know when I open it because I'll be able to smell it, but upon closer inspection, I'm thinking this is yellow, so this is banana. This is kind of a creamy color. So I think we have this and that the texture on the spoon, even though it doesn't match, I think it doesn't matter. We'll know in a minute. Let's find out which snackables are in our little bowl. Okay. Oh. Okay. You guys, I think the ultra rare just came flying out of its little bag. Is this it? I'm gonna find out very soon. There we go. Those last few were hanging on. All right, this one is really cute. It's blueberry rainbow. Unfortunately, not the ultra rare. Mango rainbow is ultra rare. So, still cute. This is BB Shreds. BB Shreds is from Wheat Crisps. This is Pea Lemon Heart, another marshmallow. From Checkers, it's B Raz Square, another ring. It's Nilla Heart. This one is humongous from Flakes, RB Flaky, right there. Berry Sun from Marshmallows. This one is really, really cute. So this is one of the wheat crisps. And who is it? Oh, right here. S-berry wheat. I'm gonna guess strawberry wheat. Isn't that one cute? Another flake. This is Nana Flake. So probably banana. This is Banana, so probably another banana flavored. This one is from Rings. And our last one is a puff. Tart Rounds. Now we'll add them to our bowl. And we need to add the water. And now we'll give it a stir. Wonder who our surprise will be this time. Ooh, it's getting fizzy. Is it done? It's, whoa! All right, let's see if we can figure it out. Looking for somebody new and different. Ah, is it this one? Did we open this one? This one, yes. Yes, yes. So far I don't see anybody new. There's nothing else in there. Okay, so this was our little surprise. Be Razzy Rounds from Puffs. And I thought it was 12, but you get 11 surprises in the little purple blind bags. And then one surprise is hiding in the spoon. Very cute. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed seeing the snackables that I collected today. I still have 2 more containers and I will open those up in a video very soon. Thanks for watching guys, bye-bye.